Gunsua, Betalbatim. I am a mechanic by profession, and I was working for Zuari Agrochemicals Limited for the last 40 years. Manager ships in Zuari Agrochemicals, and there I was always interested in something concerned with the environment, and basically I like to grow plants. Fortunately, I came across this biogas plant, and I have installed this. All the garbage that is generated in my house, kitchen garbage, it will be fed in this system, and I am expecting 1 meter cube of gas per day. That is equivalent to 30 meter cube of gas per month, and as per simple calculation, that is equal to 1 LPG cylinder per month. In terms of money, I'm going to save some money on this gas. 1,000 rupees will take care. I am expecting to get a relief of rupees 1,000 rupees per month. That is equal to 12,000 rupees per year. And the waste, the waste which is going to come out from this, I can use it for my plants. The thing about this plant is that from safety point of view, there will not be, at least I feel, there's not going to be any explosions, because this is positioned outside my house, and it's very safe. Excellent, and there are less chances of gas escaping from this biogas. The second good point about this plant is that government is encouraging to install this type of system, and they are offering us a subsidy which will help us to install or propagate these things to my neighbors. The waste which is coming out from this can be used for my plants, because I like plants basically, and I like to grow more plants. It will take care of my waste which is going out from this. Government is offering us a subsidy on this, about 10,000, and I expect the government to give me fast, because I can tell my other friends to install this type of biogas plants in their homes, because basically in these villages there is a lot of garbage which is wasted.